Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest iPad tips and tricks for 2025. Today, we're tackling a super common frustration: your iPad screen dimming on you at the worst possible times. Whether you're binge watching your favorite series or working on an important project, auto-dimming can be a real buzzkill. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how to stop it for good. This guide is based on the newest iPad OS updates, so it'll keep your device bright and ready to go. First off, let's understand why this happens. Your iPad has a handy feature called auto brightness, which adjusts the screen based on the light around you to save battery and reduce eye strain. But if it's too aggressive, you can turn it off in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Unlock your iPad and open the Settings app. It's that gray gear icon on your home screen, easy to find. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. This is where all the magic happens for your screen settings. Step 3. Look for the Auto Brightness toggle. It's usually right there at the top. Simply switch it off, and you'll see an immediate change. Your screen won't adjust based on ambient light anymore. But wait, there's more. In 2025, iPad OS might have some new features, like enhanced True Tone or adaptive brightness tweaks. So, while you're in the Display and Brightness menu, check if True Tone is enabled. If you want full control, toggle that off too. Also, head over to the Battery section in Settings and make sure no power saving modes are forcing your screen to dim. Once you've made these changes, test it out. Go into a bright room or a dark one and see if your screen stays put. If it still dims, try restarting your iPad to apply the settings fully. There you have it. Your iPad screen will now stay as bright as you want it. This simple fix can make your device feel brand new. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.